All right, team, we need to talk. The deadline for the new feature was today, and it's not finished. What happened? We had a commitment to our clients, and we're not meeting it. They are not happy.
It's been a challenging ride, boss. We hit unexpected roadblocks and underestimated the time some tasks would take.
Roadblocks. We agreed on the scope, and I expected you to manage it properly. What happened?
We thought we could handle it without causing alarm. We didn't anticipate the complexity of a few tasks, and it threw our estimates off.
This is not acceptable. We made promises to our clients, and now we're not delivering. I need solutions, not excuses.
We thought we could catch up. We've been putting in extra hours, but it's still not enough.
Putting in extra hours is not a sustainable solution. It leads to burnout and subpar work. We need a plan to get this feature back on track.
We're aware of the urgency, and we're doing our best, but pushing harder doesn't seem to be the answer.
Well, something has to change. We can't keep missing deadlines. I want ideas on how we can avoid this in the future.
Excuse me, everyone. I've been hearing the conversation and I want to propose a solution. It's called Agile Estimation.
Agile estimation. What's that? And how is it going to prevent this from happening again?
Agile estimation is a method that focuses on relative sizing. People are much better at relative sizing than trying to determine timeframes. So we relatively size our tasks. So instead of committing to specific deadlines, the team estimates the complexity of tasks by comparing estimated effort of those tasks to previous tasks that have been done. This approach allows for more accurate estimating and a way to prioritize based on value versus effort required. We can use story points rather than timeframes.
Story points. That sounds different. How does it work?
We assign story points based on the relative complexity of tasks. The Fibonacci sequence is often used, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. Using this method, we detach ourselves from estimating how long and instead compare the effort tasks will take to other tasks that we've done before. Knowing how long previous tasks took gives us a better way of working out how long new tasks will take.
Accurate estimates sound good, but this sounds complicated.
It's a bit more involved, but it should yield better results, preventing all this stress. We measure progress using velocity, which is the number of story points completed in each iteration. Over time, we establish a more accurate velocity, allowing us to plan releases based on the team's capacity. We'll get better at estimating as we practice doing this and have more experience in working together.
So, we won't be committing to fixed dates.
Instead of fixed dates, we commit to delivering a certain amount of value, but we will get better at predicting what can be done in a given time frame.
Predictability is what we need. I'm willing to give this a shot. Team, let's embrace this agile estimation process and get back on track. We can't afford to keep missing deadlines.
If you want to know how to implement this process and save that emotional stress of situations like this, then see my video on agile estimation.